Okay, we're just tightening up these hydraulic lines, and we'll start running those through the chassis. Okay, in the previous video, I may have shown this, that I would put on new rubber bushings. They're not bushings. I put rubber O-rings on, so you can see those all brand new on the ends, and bought a whole kit of O-rings. If I was to buy O-rings from Toro, it would have been a lot of money, and I saved quite a bit buying a kit at Harbor Freight. That these are hydraulic O-rings meant for hydraulic application. Okay, I'm just tightening up the hydraulic line to goes the back of the tractor. This is going to tie into the oil filter housing in the back of it to receive its fresh oil, fresh filtered oil.
To share, I hit a single right up the middle, and the guy on second scored, so it tied it. And then A-Rod, there was a guy in third and first then, and A-Rod hit one right up the middle and got in another one, so it was 2-1. And then
Alright, so now I'm hooking up the hydraulic system here. Right now I'm hooking up the hydraulic piston that will be used to raise and lower implements, as well as on the deck and the blade. Just gotta get this started here. I said before, I've got new O-ring seals on this, and they're a special nitrile O-ring that's can be used for hydraulics. I'll take this out and should come down like so. Get that baby in there. Come on. Come on. Where am I? Yep. There's the old one. There's the new one. A little longer, but that's okay. Straighten it out, it'll be close. Straighten it out, it'll be close. Might as well start using some new bolts on these things. So I'm going to slip that in there. Slip this right in there. Nice job. One of the best things about summer are thunderstorms, and this one is brewing off to our south. It's gonna miss us, but right above that house there, we got a classic anvil. That's pretty cool. Yep. It's starting to hit the top, so that's a Underneath there, it is a nasty thunderstorm. Too bad it wasn't dark right now, because we'd be able to see some lightning. But that is growing. Just by looking at it, it's just growing. Actually, watch that thing grow. It's exploding. It's pretty cool. Alright, back to work. Thought I'd show something new too. Just picked this up at Tractor Supply. They had a John Deere one I had my eye on, but too bad I didn't have a wheel horse one, but thought this went with got a lot of red in this garage, so thought that would go pretty well. So it's real comfortable too. Oh, shut that damn dog up. Somebody shoot that damn thing. Take the camera off here. So I can show you what it looks like. Back out a little bit. There we go. Might be a little bit dark, only got the 3 shop lights on. Okay, here's the gas tank. I gotta get a new gas cap for it. And this is the sending unit for the gas gauge. So I cleaned those off with the Dremel. I still have to bolt a little hose clamp down here that goes down there. Here's the inside. Here's a hydraulic line that comes through. Here's the hydraulic valve. I gotta bolt this down. That's a steering column. The key kind of works different. You got your start over here. You probably can't see that, but key works a little different. I would think that the key would turn that way, but it turns in. It's kind of different. So we got the choke hooked up. Got our throttle. That's all in there. Here's what the gauges look like on the 520. You have your headlights up here. Got lights, idiot lights for your air filter, seat switch, PTO lever, motion lever, engine temp, park brake, oil pressure, and hydro temp lights. This is the test switch here, and then here's the full onslaught of gauges, 799.4 hours, and here's our RPM, our fuel gauge, and our vacuum gauge, which I have no idea if that's going to work. I got to put new hoses on and make sure everything is looking good, and then our charging voltmeter. So far so good. And here's all the, just a mess of wires, the 520. I'm hoping when I got it, a lot of these things didn't work. The headlight switch didn't work, so I'm gonna have to fix a bunch of that. And you know, it's starting to come together now. I'm actually starting to make some real progress on this. Now it's just going to be putting on the, I got to repaint that stuff. That's going to get done this week. And then once everything's all buttoned up, I'll put some fluids in it for the hydro, and then get the engine hooked up. I'm going to wind up what I got to do with the engine though. I got to tear into it and do a valve adjustment and so forth, but we're getting real close now, so stick around. It's hopefully, I don't want to jinx myself, but pretty soon this will be done, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.